In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the missing folder pane in Outlook. If you've opened Outlook and noticed that the folder pane is no longer visible, don't worry. This is usually a very quick fix, and in most cases the folder pane has simply been collapsed or hidden by mistake. The folder pane is the section on the left side of Outlook where you normally see your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any other folders in your mailbox. When it disappears, it can make Outlook feel harder to navigate, but bringing it back only takes a moment. Start by opening Outlook on your computer and waiting for the main Outlook window to fully load. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. Near the upper left area, you should see a small hamburger icon. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. It's commonly used in apps and programs to show or hide navigation menus. Go ahead and click that hamburger icon once. As soon as you do, the missing folder pane should reappear on the left side of Outlook. You should now be able to see your mailbox folders again, including the main sections you use to move between emails and organize your account. If the pane comes back, that means it was simply collapsed. This can happen accidentally if the icon is clicked without realizing it, especially when working quickly in Outlook. Now that it's visible again, you can continue using your folders normally. A helpful tip is to remember where that hamburger icon is located, because if the folder pane ever disappears again, you'll know exactly where to go to restore it. It's one of the simplest Outlook display fixes, and it's useful to know if you switch between different layouts or if Outlook changes after an update. That's all you need to do to find the missing folder pane in Outlook. Open Outlook, find the hamburger icon on the left side, and click it to bring the folder pane back. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how easily you navigate your email. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.